Hello YouTube, this is another video by me, XX1, also known as MagmaCube72 on points2shop, and this is the last run of the points2shop in this format and with the shoutbox in this format. I think the shoutbox is going to be gone completely actually, so this is the last chat of the shoutbox on points2shop. Look at this. Look at all these chats. I'm just doing this for a fun video, because on the 15th, points2shop is going to be down on March 15, 2021, and it'll be back on the 16th, but it'll be in a different format. So it'll be changed, and you'll still be able to earn cash and points, but, you know, they're moving stuff and adding stuff and hopefully making the site better, you know. So, yeah, I'm going to make my last, go to my profile, hold on, elite rank, which took forever to get, to be honest, and, I'm going to say hi for one last time on the points2shop shoutbox, and hope it goes. It should go. I might have to like oh no, there it goes. Yeah. And yeah, that's it. So hi one last time on points2shop. There's my profile. I'm elite rank. Only got 2 more ranks to go before I hit the maximum rank, which is legend. Hopefully they still keep the rank system. The rank system's pretty awesome. And yeah, I don't think there's anything else to say. It's not goodbye points2shop, but it's just goodbye this format of points2shop, which is the original format. So yeah, that's pretty much it for now. And yeah, and look how many referrals I have, over 400. Some of these legends and diamond rank don't even have, like, they barely have over 100. I have like 453 referrals. It's pretty crazy. But anyway, thanks for watching. XX another XX1, MagmaCube72 signing out.